Hello YouTube, H16BM Hypergo. Let's go and play in the mud. Thanks for watching.
Right here at the RC park, also in the dirt over there. But look at this truck. It's all covered up in mud, water. The body is pretty bad, but that's, you know, when you use the vehicle, that's what happens. Right here, see, didn't get too much water inside, which is great. Like I mentioned in other videos, the receiver here is not waterproofed, so it shouldn't get that wet by any means, but it's water resistant. That's what they say. All the other parts are a bit wet, but this car is holding up pretty damn well. Look at the bottom, everything just turns on. The controller is off, so that's why you don't see the lights there. I will replace the battery here and I will go for another run. So thank you very much for watching. I'm having a lot of fun with this Hypergo H16BM. Subscribe, like, dislike, leave your comments. Thank you. Bye.
So next few clips here is gonna be me playing in this mud area. It's early December 2023 here in Michigan. It's getting cold, so a cup of the mud, it's kind of frozen already, and I found to be a great opportunity to have a lot of fun. So I took this little guy here first at the RC track, which is gonna be on a different video, and late I brought this vehicle up. I was playing in the ice, mud, dirt, and some rough terrain for the size of this vehicle, and boom, crashed. Yeah, so I had a lot of fun testing the limits of this vehicle. It's incredible durable, and I noticed that if you're not playing on hard surfaces like a skate park, it's almost impossible to break this one. Playing in the mud, in the dirt, even within the RC track, doing some high jumps, the vehicle is very, very durable. Right here I'm just going around, getting to the water here. There is a layer of ice underneath, so that's why you're not seeing the mud everywhere. It's cold, but this is gonna be the life around here for the next few months. Actually, it's gonna get way worse than this. This was a pretty warm day within the 50s. But see, crazy spin right there. Create a short about this spin here. So much fun spinning within the ice, getting water everywhere. If you can look closely, the body, it's very beat up, and that's because I'm abusing this quite a lot. I have a brand new body that comes within the package that I'm not using to bash that much. I just want to have one that looks good for display. But I'm really, every time I take this vehicle out, I'm impressed how durable it is. Because of the size, it have a hard time with big jumps, or I would say very rough terrain. It flips a lot, but if you have not so rough terrain, it cruises pretty well. Sometimes it gets stuck.
Got stuck.
I'm running a 2S LiPo battery that came with this vehicle. Actually, you get 2 packs of 2S LiPos. I think would be very hard to play with a 3S.
Not good. That's not good.
2S, it's already enough power to get this spinning and flipping. So maybe if you go 3S, like I do with my other H16BM, it's just way too strong for the size of this RC. But as you can see, cruises around and flips, depends on how hard you steer. I was recording with one hand and steering and accelerating with the other hand. I'm getting used to it. It's really hard to control with just one hand. If you have never tried, try recording you playing while you control the vehicle with just one hand. It's not easy. I think with time you can get the sense of it. These Hypergos have a small controller that it's really perfect for one-handed driving. Other vehicles like Traxxas, the controller is much bigger, a lot harder to reach the steering wheel with the thumb. But so far, for these Hypergos, it's working well, and it's very soft, so easy to control. It does handle bumps well. I hope that you can look into my other video of me using it within the RC track down the road there. That one is nice. You can see the vehicle jumping around. Did a little drift in the ice,
Got stuck.
and then I got stuck again. This time got stuck in this very weird situation. I took out and got stuck again.
Got stuck again.
Yep, it can get stuck pretty easy. It's a small vehicle, doesn't have a lot of clearance. The tires are holding up very well. I had to glue them in place after a couple of runs, so this is eventually something that everybody will have to do. Hope that you like this. I'll leave you with the rest of this video, the 2 minutes or so. Please consider subscribing. Leave your questions, comments. How should I improve these videos for the future? And like or dislike. Thank you so much. Bye now. Also consider watching this video that's popping up next. Me running at the RC track over some jumps. Thank you very much for watching once more. Stay safe. Bye.